Hi everyone, Dakota again from BecomingAProgrammer.com, continuing our series on building a Hacker News clone in AngularJS. In the last video, we defined this vm.commentKids property on our StoryComment component, getting some data from the Hacker News API, showing the related comments to a given comment, and then we've put that out here in an array. And in this video, we're going to be displaying those IDs within an unordered list using an ng repeat. So what we're going to do is we can just select this and cut it out, and we're going to create this unordered list. And then within it, we'll create a list item and add an ng repeat directive, and we're going to put in a comment ID in vm.commentKids. And we're just going to put out that comment ID. And when we save that, now we can reload the app in our browser. And you can see that now the comment IDs are displayed within an unordered list. And they're actually indented, which is going to work nicely when we do the nested comments. So now let's move on to doing that. Now that we've got those IDs nested underneath the comment, we can pass them to nested StoryComment components. And to do that, all we have to do is to place another StoryComment element within this ng repeat. So we can again cut this out and create a StoryComment element which corresponds to our component, and then we can pass in this comment ID as an attribute. And you can see, remember here, that we have an ID binding, and that's going to be used to make a call to the top story service to get the story that relates to that ID, and then respond to all the relevant data that would then be fed back into the story comment. So this is actually a recursive solution. And now we have that saved, and we can reload this page, and you can see here that we have the comment replies, and we also have these two more comment replies. So the reason that's happening is, again, this is a recursive template here. So each time we go into the kids to display an ng repeat, we see this whole template again. And if there are kids in one of the kids, then those again will be fed to this ng repeat, and we'll get the comments. So as many nested comments as there are, this will handle just all in that one step. It's exactly what we wanted to do. So the next step, we're going to make some styling changes because these dots can go and the spacing is a little weird. But before we do that, let's add our changes to version control, and we can move on. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.